Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We got a huge video. It's happening right in front of our eyes, guys. So you want to get it. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So it looks like we're seeing that Robinhood is at a huge low right now. We're seeing that FTX Bitstamp is going to be start to offer stocks on their platform, so that could really kill and come to an end and end Robinhood's business out there. And it's really Robinhood's fault because we have been waiting for them to turn on the crypto wallets. They haven't done that. We've also been waiting for Shiba Inu to be listed. They haven't done that. That could really save their platform. So the rumor is that Shiba Inu could be listed at the end of this month. That is the rumor. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. And also we're seeing that early Q2 we could be seeing that those crypto wallets could be happening, guys. And it's happening. We're seeing that Bitcoin is going to be going up. We're seeing Dogecoin is still going up, guys. It's still holding its own, and that's really fantastic. And that's really cool news in the house. Other stuff that's coming in right now. It looks like Dorsey is going to be jumping into Bitcoin mining. We're going to talk about that. Looks like Hong Kong is talking about releasing its stablecoin. So we're going to talk about all of these things and much more, guys. It's happening. It's happening. It's the crypto revolution. It's happening right in front of our eyes, guys. So also we're seeing a huge analyst, a huge Bitcoin maxi analyst just aped into Shiba Inu like crazy. So what does that tell you? It looks like Shiba Inu is not down and out, guys, and things are looking pretty good. And we're still seeing that even after the Dogecoin announcement that you could buy a merch for Tesla, Dogecoin is still holding it strong, and it hasn't gone down, down. So that is really huge news, guys. So also I think that we're going to see a parabolic move for Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks. We could be seeing 50,000, 52,000 for Bitcoin happening by the end of the month, and we could be seeing the holy grail of $100,000. I found some huge interesting data that you guys need to take a look at. Remember, once again, this is not financial advice. Don't forget to go down there, smash those likes. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to take this video, share it on your socials, and don't forget to show some love with a social share. And don't forget to give a super chat, guys. Subscribe, baby. Smash the likes right now. Do it. You want it. I want it. Let's get it. Alright, guys, we got lots to talk about, so let's jump into the content without any further delay. So it looks like we're seeing that most of the markets are green right now. We got Bitcoin is just gingerly below 43,000. We got Ethereum in the house is also looking green. It's up about 1.54%. So overall, most of the altcoins are also green with the exception of Solana, ADA, Ripple is also down. So overall, things are looking pretty good, guys. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed index is at 23. So that's a much better position than where we were yesterday, because yesterday we were at 21. So it looks like the social sentiment is increasing, is improving, so that is looking good in the house, guys. So if you take a look at Dogecoin right now, so Dogecoin, I just want to talk about Dogecoin for a second. And right now, this is Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart, and this is the Binance 4-hour chart. And we're seeing some kind of interesting pattern here. We're seeing that right now Dogecoin is trading at $18.95, so almost 19 cents in the house. Now, something that we need to be really cautious about is we have seen this pattern before. We saw this pattern here where we had this big spike to the upside, and that was also when Elon Musk did hit this whole tweet. Let me just make that a little bit bigger in the house, guys, so you guys can see it a little bit more clearly. So we had this kind of pattern that broke out before, and it happened around about, let's see, where did that pattern actually establish itself? It's around about the 14th of December. Oh, this is kind of interesting that exactly 1 month ago, we had Elon Musk do this tweet, and it pumped up the Dogecoin. Now we've had just 1 month later that we're seeing that Elon Musk also pumped up the Dogecoin, and that was with the announcement of Tesla accepting Dogecoin for merch. And then once we had this pump, we had a big rejection to the downside from when we go to the top of this pump here to the bottom of the pump was about 17%. So we're seeing something very similar here in terms of this pattern here. We saw from here and here. It was only about 11%. So this is kind of interesting, guys. I think it's interesting that we had two different catalysts almost a month, exactly the same dates, guys. Exactly the same dates, exactly 30 days apart, guys. 30 days apart, we had this huge pump to the upside from Elon Musk. So after we had this pump, it kind of went down and went sideways, and then it broke down below this descending triangle. So then we did go up and we did go down. So we have been kind of, range bound for a very long time between 15 cents 18 cents. So we've broken above that, and I've drawn. Can't get my words right. We've drawn this support channel here. So hopefully Dogecoin can maintain that support channel. So it's kind of interesting that Elon Musk, almost exactly 30 days to the day, to the hour, to the second, had a pump, and we saw that yesterday that happened as well. So that's quite interesting. Perhaps these are timed. Maybe Elon Musk is timing these posts to help maximize, bringing up the Doge. So after we had a huge downside, and this was people taking profits here, then it kind of meandered up. Then it kind of went down again, and this happened to do with Bitcoin's fall, and then we had this whole rise. So what we really need now is we need another catalyst from somebody, either the devs, either Elon Musk, to keep this momentum for Dogecoin going to the upside. So that's why I put this big question mark here. So are we going to be able to maintain this level and stay above 18 cents, or are we going to break down? So only time will tell. But we need a catalyst, and that catalyst could be Bitcoin, guys. It could be Bitcoin going up, guys and gals. So that's interesting. Just keep that in mind. That I think Elon Musk, he is helping us out there. It's happening, guys. He is helping. He is supporting. So we do have those. Maybe perhaps have the Robinhood wallets coming in as well. Those could be coming in. End of Q1, early Q2. So that's pretty soon, guys. So keep that in mind. So right now we're seeing for the Doge in the house, we're seeing 59% of all Doge holders are in the money, guys. So that is very good. 38% are only out. So that is good, guys. That's absolutely good in the house. So another thing I talked about in the intro is that Robinhood hits a new low as FTX US and Bitcoin, Bitstamp US move into stocks. So before these platforms are just like crypto, that you could do leverage trading with crypto and all of that, yada, yada, yada. So now it looks like Bitstamp and FTX, they want to get into stocks, the ability to trade stocks on these platforms. So that is really, really going to put the kibosh on Robinhood, because FTX and Bitstamp, they both have full-fledged crypto trading platforms. You have access to your crypto. You can send, receive crypto just like any other, centralized exchange. So that is the benefit that they're going to have, that you do have the ability to buy the stocks, sell the stocks to fiat, buy crypto, and then once you've got that crypto, you can send it anywhere, hither and thither, guys. So that is very bullish. So, Robinhood, they better watch out, guys. They better absolutely watch out, because this is a huge blow to Robinhood, and people are going to be leaving en masse. And all I can say is to Robinhood, you guys really, didn't do your due diligence on this. What you should have done is, one, you should have listed Shiba Inu. That would have been huge, because you saw the success that Robinhood had with Dogecoin, and they delayed, and they talk about due diligence and all of this and blah blah blah. I don't know why they didn't list. This was a huge blow for the Shiba Inu community, and I know a lot of Shiba Inu community members are not happy about it, and also a lot of Dogecoin members are also not happy, because we're still waiting for these gosh darn it crypto wallets out there. So what is going on? So one potential Robinhood bright spot is the interest from Shiba Inu community. Shiba Inu coin has been pumping recently, and there's been rumors that they're going to be listing on Shiba Inu early next month. So I don't know what's going to happen. Let's hope that happens. And if it doesn't, then people are just going to start moving to FTX and Bitstamp in-house, guys. So if you're on Robinhood platform, you could easily sell your crypto right now. This is not financial advice. Move it to fiat, transfer it to FTX or Bitstamp, buy that crypto that you like, and then at least you would be able to control your crypto, because you would have a crypto wallet, so you can move things, send things out. Because when you're on Robinhood, you don't actually own your crypto. You just own like a mirror image of it, and you don't have the freedom to do what you want. So that being said, top 10 mentioned crypto coins on Twitter, is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Solana, Fantom still big, Harmony, and Terra, guys. So we're seeing Fantom is making some real good moves, guys. We're also seeing that Harmony is making some cool moves. Harmony, you can see that the total TVL right now for Harmony is going up as we speak, guys. It's just going uppity up, and that's because Harmony, they've got into this DeFi kingdoms. So you can see that right now Harmony is 37, and we're seeing that in the last 7 days, we're seeing that Harmony has absolutely gone up and start to outperform some other coins in the house. So you can see it's up almost 6.77%. And 1.24 billion locked in TVL, and 800 million of that is from the game DeFi Kingdom that's running on the Harmony ecosystem, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. And if you look at some of the top projects, we got, of course, Ethereum. We got Luna as well at 18 billion. We got BSC at 15 billion. We got Avalanche at 11 billion. We got Solana at 9 billion. But look at Solana's market cap to TVL. It's really high, guys. You don't want anything over 2. It means that it's still a good buying opportunity. It's undersold. So you can see that Solana is oversold, and that's why we're seeing a little bit of price retracement. So Fantom is looking good, guys. It's up 25% in the last 7 days, down a little bit today. But you can see that the overall market cap to TVL is 1. So this means it's undersold. Fantom is making some moves. We're going to talk about Fantom in a minute. We're going to talk about SpookySwap and all that kind of stuff. And you guys are going to love it. I'm going to love it. Let's get it, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in. We talked about the 10 top coins. Other stuff that's coming in. If we look at the daily on-chain exchange flow, we got BTC. We got a net inflow of about 216.5 million, guys. It's not a lot, so I wouldn't worry about it. Absolutely wouldn't worry about it in the house. We're seeing that Ethereum right now, the net flow is out, so that's pretty good. People moving more coins off exchange, and we're seeing a net flow of ERC tokens, Tether, about 78.8 million. So people sold something, taking some profits, and moving those to the sidelines, guys. I wouldn't worry about it too. If you look at the average transaction fees right now, we can see that Ethereum is super expensive. The average transaction fee is about $46, followed by Optimistic, Arbitrarium, Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain, Dogecoin, Loopring, Bitcoin Cash. Let me get my head out of the way. Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche. So you can see that Dogecoin is pretty cheap, but Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche are super cheap in the house, guys. So that is cool beans, and that is and this is one of the biggest problems with Ethereum is the fees, guys. And if anything is going to kill and stop Ethereum from gaining more momentum and traction, is going to be these fees. That's why it's so important that Ethereum converts to Ethereum 2.0 and starts to make a move to go to proof of stake and move from proof of work, guys. So that is so interesting in the house, guys. So if we take a look at this, it's a total BTC number of addresses holding 0.1 coins has just reached an all-time high. So that is good, guys. So and this just shows that the retailers and the minnows are still buying up the Bitcoin like crazy. But we still have not seen that the retail investors are still nowhere to be found. I have absolutely don't know where they've gone, and we're still waiting for the retail investors to ape in. And so the retail investors for Bitcoin are still sitting on the sidelines and waiting for some kind of confirmation to happen. So I don't know what they're holding up for. So this has just come in, and this is really a really important tweet. So update on Bitcoin paper hand ratio of young coins active in the last 6 months circulating supply. So how do you read that? Anything greater than 49% means peak. Crypto FOMO means that retailers are jumping in like crazy. Less than 25% means a dead zone. So we're seeing that the lowest since 2015. And what that means is that the retail investors are nowhere to be seen. They're absolutely nowhere to be seen, guys. I absolutely don't know where they are. But you can still see, even without the retail investors, we're still seeing that Bitcoin is still making some moves. So once Bitcoin continues to grow and we get some confirmation, then we're going to see that the retail investors who are paper hands are the first to sell, first to panic sell, and they're also the first that are going to be buying and foaming at the top and also losing money, right? So remember, wealth gets transferred from the patient, from the impatient to the patient. So we're seeing that retail is nowhere to be found. I don't know what's happening to these people. They need to jump back in. So if you look at this is a rising wedge for Bitcoin. It goes back all the way to like 2019. We're seeing this huge rising wedge right now, and this could be a huge blow off top scenario. And this guy's saying that we could hit $450,000 by year end, guys. So that is huge, guys. So by 2023 or late 2022, we could be seeing $450,000 incoming for the bitty, guys. So this is a huge parabolic, huge rising wedge that goes back all the way to 2019. So if this is validated, guys, this is absolutely huge. So coming in here, we got Hong Kong begins discussions to introduce stablecoin regulatory framework. So they're looking at the Hong Kong Monetary Authority shared a list of 8 questions with their community to see how the community is going to react to the stablecoin regulation. So no action, opt-in pilot regime, risk-based, catch-all, blanket all. So let's see what happens. The jury's out right now, but we can see that Hong Kong definitely is looking at regulation of stablecoins, and we're seeing that the market capitalization of stablecoin has been growing, and you can see that Tether is number 1, USD coin is number 2, and so forth and so on, guys. So it looks like Hong Kong is going to be regulated, and of course this is going to I think regulation for stablecoins are good, and hopefully we're going to have to need that, and because a lot of countries are going to be releasing their own CBDC. So this is confirmed. Jack Dorsey confirms that Block is officially building an open Bitcoin mining system. So that is cool, guys. So Jack Dorsey confirmed that the company Block, formerly known as Square, will move forward with plans to build a Bitcoin mining system. So that is cool, guys. In October, we announced that we're considering building a Bitcoin mining system out in the open alongside the community, and we'll decide we're doing it. We thought we'd share some more details on how our initial discussions are going, and we're heading next. So it looks like this is going to be huge news. So they're going to have a proof of work model. So the project's goal is to make Bitcoin mining, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, more distributed and more efficient. Tweeted Thomas Templeton, and it looks like Bitcoin operates on a proof of work. You guys know that, and it looks like what they want to do is they want to create more and more mining rigs that are going to be very low price, and it's going to be open source. So that is going to simplify the whole process. So that's good that's absolutely good in-house. So let's take a look at Fantom right now. Fantom is at $2.88 right now. So I just want to talk about this whole SpookySwap. If you want to connect your wallet to SpookySwap, you need to have your Fantom on the Opera network. And the way you do that is you do 2 things. You can either connect the wallet or create a wallet. So you need to connect the wallet here. And then once it's connected, if you're using Trust Wallet, you choose Fantom, the Fantom network in your Trust Wallet. Then you can connect. But the key thing you guys want to take a look at is if we look at the farming right now on SpookySwap, and if you have these liquidity pairs such as USD Fantom, we're talking 65% APY, guys, and we're talking some APYs are huge. So if you look at Fantom and Any, the APY is 103%. If you're looking at Fantom and Yell, 136%. Fantom and WS SPA is 102, and look at Fantom and OOE is 174%, guys. So this is where you can make things actually work for you. Fantom INV is 207%. So guys, go check it out. I did manage to actually do it. So right now what I've done is I ran a test, and I sent about $6,000 worth of my Fantom. You can see here. So I've staked about $5,869 worth, and basically I went to the swap here, and basically what I did is when I swapped it, I imported it all from my wallet here. Then I went to liquidity. And basically I put half in USD and the other half in Fantom, and then I was able to stake it right here on the farming, guys. So right now I've been farming about this 6K right now. I've been farming for around about an hour, and I've already made like 43 cents. So another thing you can do, you can also stake Boo. And if you want to stake Boo, you take your Fantom, you convert it to Boo, and Boo is kind of like the utility token, right? They're offering 31%, but then what you do is you go down here, and I did kind of a test here. I just sent like $254 over here, converted to Boo, and then I'm earning wrap Fantom in the house. And so you can see I've made like 2 cents in like the last 15 minutes as well. So this is something you want to look at, guys. Absolutely interesting. So guys, check out the SpookySwap. Remember, you got to go here and connect your either your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet to the Fantom F wallet, because that's on the Opera network, guys. So you can do that right there. So you can create your Fantom wallet, then you can connect your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then that allows you to tie in to this whole SpookySwap thing. So it took me a while out there, and Dragon, big shout out to you, Dragon, out there. He was helping with it, so finally I did it. I was racking my brains, guys, but it's a bit complicated. So now I know. Now I figured it out, guys. Now I figured it out. So Go try it, guys. We're seeing that the total leverage traders that got wrecked is pretty quiet right now. So I think hopefully they learn the lesson at least for the next 24 hours. So that's pretty good. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin is trading at $43,252. So that's looking pretty good right now, and that's on a 30-minute chart. So that is looking pretty good. So hopefully we can see a big pump it up weekend and see $44,000 coming in soon. So I'm hoping we can do that. We're seeing that right now. It looks like this weekly candle. We got 1 day and 14 hours left on it. So hopefully we can print a weekly candle in the green. That would be huge news, guys. So that is pretty good. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Before we do that, looks like we have a problem. Bitcoin analyst has just aped into SHIB. Despite Doge soaring after Tesla endorsement, this guy's still aping into Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is looking okay today. It's trading at 31.20. And right now you can see that we have this whole support line that goes all the way back down to like 25.90, and Shiba Inu has been nicely going along that way here, and we do have some resistance around about 32.44. Then we have huge resistance at 33. So let's just keep an eye on that. If we can continue in this upward pattern, then we have a little bit of resistance as well here, sloping resistance around about here. So this is really the conversion point. And if you guys zoom in right now, you can see that we've actually just broken past this descending resistance here. So hopefully we can confirm that, and we have this whole buy indicator here that's looking pretty positive. We did have a sell indicator here, but we did flip green here, and it looks like we could be going up. So this is pretty bullish news in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is also, I printed this triangle. This is a support line for Ethereum, and we've been following that. So we wicked down to it. We wicked down, got supported, went up. We're going up again, so that's confirming that on the daily right now. And we're seeing that Ethereum is at 3,336. So that's pretty bullish. That's absolutely bullish in the house, guys. So things are looking good for Ethereum. If we take a look at Fantom right now, Fantom on the daily right now is also, Fantom has been trading right now between $3 and been range bound between $2.82. So I think Fantom is going to continue basically going sideways until it hits this line here, and then we should either go up or have a rejection and then go down. So we just need to see how that pans out. And that, if we hit that line should be hit around about the 23rd of January, guys. So let's hopefully we can make a move. If we continue going sideways, then we're either going to go to the upside or we're going to get rejected to the downside. We just got to keep an eye on that. So Link right now, let me get my face out of there. My face is always in the way, guys. Sorry about that. So you can see that Link right now has broken out of this descending triangle here, broken to the upside just gingerly. So hopefully it will make some momentum. We need the daily candle to turn green, and we're trading at 25.67 in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. The total market cap is at 2.12 trillion, and the volumes are really, really light right now. Remember, it's been weekend here in Asia, and it is Friday late evening in America. It's around Friday early evening, about dinner time. So things are getting slow, and I was seeing the Bitcoin dominance is also at 38. So that's not too shabby in the house. So let's take a look at the coins in the house right now. So we're seeing that right now Bitcoin is up 1.44%. So that's what we need, and it's at 43,229. And we're seeing that right now Ethereum is up almost 2.27%, and it's at 3,338. So the altcoins are looking pretty good. They are making some moves. We're seeing that BNB coin, Binance coins, are almost at $500, and that's at $2.85 in the house. So we're seeing that Solana could be flipping positive pretty soon. That's at $145.96 in the house. We're seeing that ADA is just up slightly, is $1.27. Luna is up 4%, so that's been pretty good. So we're seeing that Luna is looking pretty good on the 7-day and on the monthly as well. So if you're holding Luna, you should be pretty happy about that. And we are now at 82.23. DOT is also looking pretty good. It's positive on the monthly, and it's positive on the weekly and on the daily as well. So Doge is just flipped bearish right now, and it's down 2.44%, but we're up 21% in the last 7 days, so that is pretty good. Avalanche is also up. We're seeing Shiba Inu is down as well, so it looks like the meme coins are getting a little bit beaten up right now. And Matic is up as well, 3.32%. So we're seeing pretty much green everywhere, guys. Fantom is slightly up as well. So things are looking pretty good, guys. So with that being said, go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Do it right now. Show some love in the house. Follow me. Get the latest tips and tricks. And don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes, guys. Show some love in the house. You're going to want it. I want to get it. And don't forget to go check out the merch, guys. Get the mug. Get the mug, get the hat. Get the backpack, and go on over and check the Wi-Fi channel, guys. So God bless each and every one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. It's a great time to be live. It's happening, guys. Crypto markets are going positive. Things are going green. We're going to have a huge pump it up weekend. God bless each and every one of you out there. Be well. Go with God. Be safe, guys. I love it. You love it.